In this session, NGOs can create a comprehensive compliance document in Zoho Writer. The document includes multiple layouts, text boxes, cover pages, table of contents, and tables. It can be shared with different departments for review, allowing collaborators to add comments and suggestions. Once all feedback is incorporated, the finalized document is sent through an approval workflow for official sign-off and saved as an organization-wide template for future use.
Definitely. Thank you for explaining the scenario, Jennifer. So let me just show you the demo on how this works. So here I have got a compliance document. So let me just show you how to configure this document. So here, if you go to the insert tab, you'll find cover pages. So this is a cover page that I have inserted using the writer's available cover page. So this is the one that I've used. And in here, I have added text boxes, dynamic today year, dynamic today date, and the logo, company's logo as well. So now further moving down, you can see that I've used a multiple column layout. So in order to achieve this, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you a quick non-printing characters. So here you can see that in forward, we have a single column layout. So if I just go to the page setup, you can see that I have a single column layout. But in the same page, I have added a section break. And here you can see that I have added a 2-column layout. So using section break, you'll be able to easily divide your pages with multiple columns in the same page. So now let's say here I've used a column break so that the contents after this gets into the next column, and here the section break is end. So the next page will be according to my preference, which is either single, 2 or 3 column layouts as well. So now here I've used a table of contents. So you just have to go to the table of contents and select the required design and show levels, etc., and then insert your DOC into the document. And further, by scrolling down, you can check that there are various informations, and under the footer area I've added a text box. So here what I've done is I've added a text box, and I'm selecting the wrap type as square, and I'm also rotating this into 90 degrees. So here you'll have an option to rotate the text box entirely and place it according to your preference. So this can be used to display if it is a compliance document, or if it is an internal document, or even if it is a confidential document. You can go ahead and use the text boxes in order to display these information. And further moving down, I have added some tables into this document. So here you can see that I've added a table with 2 columns and 6-7 rows. And further moving on, you can also see that I've added one more table, and finally the document is completed. So now once the document configuration is done, all I have to do is just go ahead and share it with my team members. So in here I'll be able to go ahead and share it, and I can collaborate with multiple departments. Let's just say I want some inputs from the legal team. I'll be able to use these comments so that they can select the comment, and they can select the content and then add comments into it. So they'll be able to add comments directly. So once by adding these comments, they'll be able to easily check and change the content. And once the content is changed, I can just go ahead and assign the workflows. So here we have 3 different workflows, which is review, approval, and review and approval workflow. So using these, you'll be able to send the documents for review or approval as well. So all you have to do is just enter the email address, the note from the author, and the review due date. So once all the operations are completed, and once the document is finalized and if it is approved, all I have to do is just go to File, Save as Template, and save this as a organization template so that all my members within my organization will be able to use this document.
Thank you, Gautam, for showcasing this demo.